Hello students, welcome in the next lecture of numerical techniques. Okay, in the previous lecture we are going to study the RK method formulae, that is the Ranjay-Kutta method formulae. We study the two formulas, that is the second order Ranjay-Kutta method formula and the fourth order Ranjay-Kutta method formula. Okay, so using that formula we can find the solution of ordinary differential equation, that is the numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to discuss the solution of ordinary differential equation by using the second order Ranjay-Kutta formula and the fourth order Ranjay-Kutta formula. Okay, that is to solve the problems using RK2 and RK4 methods. Okay, so here the example is solve the initial value problem. We have to given that the initial value problem dy by dx is equal to x into y with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 2 by Ranjay-Kutta formula with h is equal to 0.2, and we have to compute, that is to find y of 0.2 and y of 0.4 correct up to 4 decimal places. That is, we have to consider the approximate value up to 4 decimal places. Okay, so I write here the given, that is the initial value problem dy by dx is equal to x into y with the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 2. Okay, and if we compare this with the standard form, that is compare with dy by dx is equal to f of xy with initial condition y of x0 is equal to y0. So that here we have to get f of xy, that is function, will be equal to here x into y, and from this if we compare this condition with the standard condition, so we have to get x0 will be equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 2. Okay, then here we use the Ranjay-Kutta formula for finding the numerical solution. Okay, so we use Ranjay-Kutta fourth order formula to find numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Okay, so we know that the RK4 method formula is y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 in bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, where k1 k2 k3 will be r, k1 will be equal to h in bracket into f of x0 comma y0. Okay, then k2 will be equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 divided by 2. Okay, and k3 and k4 are, k3 will be equal to h f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 divided by 2, and k4 will be equal to h in bracket h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Okay, so using this RK4 method formula we have to find the numerical solution, that is y1, that means value of the function at point x1. Okay, here we have to given that x0 will be 0 and h will be, we have to also given that h, that is taken the values with this difference, that is 0.2. So x1 will be x0 plus h, we know that, so 0 plus 0.2, that means we have to get the value of y1, that is the y of 0.2, and if we find the next value, that is y2, that means x1 plus h, so 0.2 plus 0.2 we have to get 0.4, and that is the value of y of 0.4. Okay, that is y of 0.4. Okay, so first to find K1, K2, K3 and K4. Okay, so take it as equation number 1. Then here we find first K1, okay, value of K1. So K1 is equal to, okay, so K1 is equal to H, f of x0 comma y0, okay. So H will be here 0.2, so we put here values 0.2. Then function f of x will be here x into y, so at point x0 y0 this function becomes a x0 into y0, okay. So we put here values, so 0.2 x0 will be 0, so into 0 into y0 will be 2, okay. So this 0.2 into 0 into 2 will get here 0, so we have to get value of k1 will be equal to 0. Then next to find k2 will be h f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 divided by 2. Then we put here values, so h will be again 0.2, f of, we put here first value of this, f of x0 will be 0 plus 0.2 divided by 2 comma y0 will be 2 plus k1 we get 0 divided by 2, okay. So we have to get 0.2 into f of 0.2 divided by 2 will be 0.1, then comma 2, this becomes a 0, so 0.1 comma 2, so we have to get 0.2 into f of 0.1 into 2, okay. Function will be f of x into y, so this becomes, we have to get 2 into 0.1, okay. So after this calculation we have to get the value of k2 will be equal to, okay, so after this calculation we have to get value of k2 will be equal to 0.04, okay. Then next to find the value of k3, okay, so k3 will be equal to, the formula is h f of x0 plus h divided by 2 comma y0 plus k2 divided by 2, okay. Again we put here value, so h will be 0.2, f of x0 plus h by 2 we find here, that is 0.1 comma y0 will be 2, so 2 plus here k2 we have to get 0.04 divided by 2, okay. So we get here 0.2 f of the 0.1 comma, okay, so we have to get here 2.02, okay. Then again after this calculation we have to get the value of k3 will be equal to, so after this calculation we have to get k3 is equal to 0.0404, okay. So this is the value of k3. Then next we find the value of k4. So k4 formula is f of h f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3, okay. Again we put here values, so 0.2, h will be 0.2, f of x0 will be 0 and h will be 0.2, so 0 plus 0.2 comma y0 will be 2 plus 0.0404, okay. So is equal to 0.2, this becomes f of 0.2 comma 2.0404, okay. So is equal to 0.2, again function will be f of xy will be x into y, here points we have to get, x will be 0.2 and y will be 2.0404, so this becomes a 0.2 into 2.0404, function f of xy will be x into y, okay. So we have to get, after this calculation we have to get the value 0.0816, we have to get the value of k4 will be, okay. So here we find the value of k1, k2, k3, k4 first and then we use the RK4 method formula, okay. So from equation number 1, that is using the formula, we have to get y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 in bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Simply we put here values, so we have to get the value of y1, okay, and y1 that means the value of y of 0.1, okay. So y1 is equal to, y0 will be 2 plus 1 by 6 in bracket k1 we have to get 0 plus k2 will be 0.04, okay, plus k1 plus 2k2, sorry, so k1 plus 2 into 0.04 plus 2k3, okay, so k3 we have to get 2 in bracket 0.0404, okay, then plus k4 will be 0.0816, okay, then bracket complete, and again after this calculation we have to get value 2.040, okay, after this calculation we have to get the value of y1 will be equal to 2.0404, and y1, that means value of the function y1, that is value of the function at point x1, okay, so x1 will be here x0 plus h, that is 0 plus 0.2, so x1 will be 0.2, that means this is the y of 0.2 is equal to, we get 2.0404, value of the function at point x1, and x1 will be 0.2, so that is, this is the value of y of 0.2, okay, so in this way we calculate the solution by using the RK4 method, okay, then we have to again find the next value of the solution, that is at the 0.4, okay, so that means the next point, so here x2 we have to get x1 plus h, x1 will be 0.2, h will be 0.2, so we have to get x4 will be 0.4, that means y2, y of 0.4, that is the y2, that means y of x2, okay, we have to calculate this value, okay, so we use RK4 formula, okay, so the formula becomes y2 is equal to y1 plus 1 by 6 in bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, okay, take it as equation number 1, 2 as equation number 2, then we want to calculate the k1, k2, k3, k4, so for that, here k1 will be is equal to h f of x1 comma y1, then k2 will be is equal to h f of x0, not x0, here x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 divided by 2, okay, then k3 will be equal to h f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 divided by 2, and k4 will be equal to hf of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3, okay, so here we have to first calculate k1, k2, k3, k4 and put in this to get the y2, that is y of 0.4, so we first calculate k1, k2, k3, k4, okay, so k1 is equal to, k1 will be equal to h will be 0.2, then f of x1 comma y1, okay, so x1 will be 0.2 comma, this is the value of y1, that is 2.0404, okay, so 2.0404, y1 will be 2.0404, okay, so we have to get 0.2 into this 0.2 into 2.0404, because function f of xy will be x into y, so this is the x point and this y point, so this becomes a x into y. So after this calculation we have to get value of k1 will be 0.0816, okay, so this is the k1. Then next, to calculate the value of k2 using the formula, k2 will be h f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 divided by 2, okay, again we put your values, so 0.2 f of x1 will be 0.2 plus h will be 0.2 divided by 2 comma y1 will be 2.0404, okay, plus k1 we calculate here is 0.0816 divided by 2, okay, so we have to get 0.2 f of will be 2.2, 0.3 comma 2.0812, okay, after this calculation again we have 0.1249. Okay, so this is the value of K2. Okay, then next to find the value of K3 and K4. Okay, using this formula, K3 will be equal to h f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus K2 divided by 2. Okay, so h will be 0.2. F of x1 is again, x1 will be 0.2 plus h will be 0.2 divided by 2 comma y1 will be 2.0404 plus K2 we calculate here 0.1249, 0.1249 divided by 2. Okay, then 0.2 we have to get, this will be f of 0.3.1028. Okay, so we have to get 0.2 into 0.3 into 2.1028 because function will be here x into y. Okay, so we have to get value of 0.126. so K3 will be this. Then we find the K4. So K4 for formula is hf of x1 plus h comma y1 plus K3. Okay, so again put your values. So h will be 0.2, f of x1 will be 0.2 plus 0.2. Okay, h will be 0.2. Then comma y1 will be 2.0404 plus K3 we have to get here 0.1262. Okay, then we have to get 0.2, f of 0.2 plus 0.2 will be 0.4. Then comma this we get 2.1666. Okay, then we have to get is equal to 0.2 and function will be x into y, so this get 0.4 into 2.1666 and after this calculation 0.1733. Okay, so this is the K4. Then we have to put this value in equation numbers 2. Okay, so put K1, K2, K3 and K4 in equation number 2. So we have to get y2 is equal to, that is y of 0.4 will be is equal to y1 plus y1 is 1 by 6 in bracket K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Okay, so y1 will be 2.0404 plus 1 by 6 in bracket K1 we calculate, that is 0.0816 plus 2, K2 will be 0.1249 plus 2, K3 will be 0.1262. Okay, then plus K3 will be 0.1733. Okay, bracket complete. Then again after this calculation we have to get the value of 0.1666. After this calculation we have to get value of y of 0.4 will be 2.1666. Okay, y2, that means value of the function at point x2 and x2 will be here 0.4. So this is the y of 0.4. Okay, so using in this way we can easily calculate, that is to find the solution of numerical solution of differential equation by using RK4 methods. Okay, we have to only here remind the formulas of K1, K2, K3, K4 and the RK4 formula. Okay, simple. Then we see the next example. So the next example is solve the initial value problem. Dy by dx is equal to y minus x with the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 2 by Runge-Kutta formula with h is equal to 0.1 and compute the y of 0.1 and y of 0.2 correct to formula, correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, again we have to find consider the approximate values up to 4 decimal places. Okay, here we have to given that use the Runge-Kutta formula, not we have to given that either use the RK2 formula or the RK4 formula, that is second order or the fourth order. So we use any one of them formula. Okay, so here we solve this equation, differential equation by using Runge-Kutta second order formula. Okay, so first we rewrite the equation. So differential equation is dy by dx is equal to y minus x with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 2. Okay, and Also we have to given that here h will be equal to 0.1 and we have to calculate the y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. Okay, so this is the given data. Means the function f of xy will be given that y minus x, and with this condition if we compare the y of, by comparing with y of x0 is equal to y0, we have to get here x0 will be equal to 0 and y0 will be equal to 2. Okay, so we use Ranjekutta second order formula to find the numerical solution. Okay, so the formula is, for finding solution, formula will be equal to y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 in bracket k1 plus k2, which is the second order Ranjekutta formula. For that, k1 and k2 are, where k1 is equal to h f of x0 comma y0 and k2 will be equal to h f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus. Using this formula we have to calculate the y1, that means the value of the function at point x1. Okay, so here x0 will be 0 and h will be 0.1, so x1 gets 0.1, that means x1 will be 0.1, that means to find the value, to get the value of y of 0.1. Okay, so x1 is equal to x0 plus h, x0 will be 0, h will be 0.1, so x1 will be 0.1 and y of x1, that is y1, that means y of 0.1. Okay, so we have to get the value of y1, that is y of 0.1. Okay, so first to find k1 and k2. So k1 is equal to h f of x0 comma y0. Okay, so h will be here 0.1 and function f of xy will be y minus x. So at x0 y0 this becomes y0 minus x0. Then we put your values 0.1, y0 will be 2 minus x0 will be 0. Okay, so we have to get here 0.1 into 2, that means 0.2. Okay, so k1 is equal to, we get 0.1 is equal to, we get 0.2. then k2, next to find k2 will be h, formula is hf of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. Okay, so h will be, by putting value 0.1 f of x0 plus h, x0 will be 0, h will be 0.1, so 0.1 comma y0 will be 2. Okay, and k1 will be 0.2. Okay, so we have to get 0.1 f of 0.1 comma 2.2. so this is equal to 0.1. function f of xy, f of x comma y will be y minus x. So here y will be 2.2 and x will be 0.4. So here we get 2.2 minus 0.1. Okay, so we have to get this 0.1. 2.2 minus 0.1 becomes a 2.1. Okay, so 0.1 into 2.1 into 2.1 we have to get value of k2 will be 0.21. Okay, so in this way we find the k1 and k2. Then simply we have to put k1 and k2 in equation, that is in the formula of second order. So put k1 and k2 in, put k1 and k2 in, y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 in bracket k1 plus k2. So y0 will be here, y0 will be 2, then 1 by 2 in bracket k1 we have to get 0.2 plus k2 will be 0.21. So after this calculation we have to get the value of y1 will be 2.205. Okay, so this is the, we get y1, that means y of 0.1 will be is equal to 205. That is value of the function at point x1. x1 will be 0.1. Okay, x1 will be 0.1. Okay, then next to calculate y of 0.2. Okay, y of 0.2, that means x2. Okay, so x2 will be here y of 0.2, that is y of x2. So x2 will be here x1 plus h. x1 will be 0.1 plus h will be 0.1. So x2 we get 0.2. So y of x2, that means y of 0.2. Okay, and that is the y2. Okay, so for that the formula is y2 is equal to y2 is equal to y1 plus 1 by 2 in bracket k1 plus k2. So again we have to calculate here the k1 and k2 using the formula. Okay, so for that k1 will be equal to h f of x1 comma y1 and k2 will be h f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k1. Okay, so first to find k1. Okay, first to find k1 and k2. So first here we find k1. So k1 will be is equal to h f of x1 comma y1. Then put your value, h will be 0.1, f of x1 by 1, that means y1 minus x1, because the function will be here y minus x. So at 0.1 y1 we calculate, we have to get y1 will be 2.205 minus x1 will be 0.1. Okay, so we have to get this, we have to get 0.2105. Okay, this is the k1. Okay, then next to find k2. Okay, so k2 will be equal to h f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k1. Okay, so h will be here 0.1, f of x1 will be 0.1 plus 0.1 comma y1 we calculate here, y1 will be 2.205, then plus k1 will be we get 0.2105. Okay, so this is equal to 0.1 f of 0.1 plus 0.1, that is 0.2 comma we get 2.4155. Okay, and we have to get the k2 is equal to we get 0.1 into function will be y minus x, so 2.4155, this is the y, x and y, so y minus 0.2, that is y minus x. So we have to get k2 will be is equal to 0.2216 after this calculation. Okay, k2 we get 0.2216. Okay, then put k1 and k2 in y2 is equal to y1 plus k1 and k2 in y2 is equal to y1 plus 1 by 2 in bracket k1 plus k2 to get the value of y of 0.2. Okay, so right here we have to get y2, that means y of 0.2, because value of the function at point x2 will be y2 and that is 0.2, y of 0.2. Okay, so y1 will be 2.205 plus 1 by 2 in bracket k1 we have to get 0.2105 plus k2 will be 0.2216. Okay, then again after this calculation we have to get the value of y of 0.2 will be is equal to 2.421. Okay, and that is the y2, that is 2.421. Okay, so we have to get the value of y of 0.2 will be 2.421 and y of 0.1 will be 2.205. Okay, so using in this way we easily calculate or to find the solution of numerical differential equation by using the RK2 method either or the RK4 method. Here we have to only calculate first K1, K2. In RK2 formula we have to calculate K1, K2. So name it as the RK2, that is the second order Runge-Kutta formula, and in fourth order we have to calculate K1, K2, K3, K4. So name it as the RK4, that is fourth order Runge-Kutta formula, and we have to simply put that value in formula to get the solution. Okay, so in this way. Okay, so today we will stop here. Thank you.